I'm here with Grant from Cold Room Direct, and we're going to be looking at some of these chillers on different scales for different people and find all about what the capabilities and factors they offer are. Grant, please show me some of these
basically
chillers.
this is our compact larder that will hold up to 10 deer, mainly fallow. We can make them to whatever size you want with canopies and extras. If you come and have a look inside, basically we've got an outdoor drain so you can wash everything down when you're cleaning up. Little hose attachment, winch will lift up to red deer, which is nice, make it easy accessible. And then obviously inside there's a storing area for 10 deer, goes in this way, holds it, and then obviously, yeah, ready for the game larder when you're ready to go.
Come inside now, Daddy. Oh, it is so cold in here. Why is this, please? No, this is all very nice.
So we normally run them about
there
zero.
Yeah.
You can hang on it.
You'll only see me do that once on camera. That feels really solid, I've got to say.
It is solid.
What's the capacity of this one?
So you can hold 10 to 12 fallow easily, comfortably, with a bit of space. You've got a washable shelf down, so you can take it apart, jet wash it, clean it up.
Easily wash that kind.
Normally you can put your rabbits or your pheasants or your game on there, whatever you want to put on there. Normally runs about from 0 to 4 degrees to hold a comfortable temperature.
So what's the price in pounds on this unit for the UK?
So currently it's running at 15.5.
Right, okay. Plus that?
Plus that.
Plus that. Cool, thank you very much, Grant. It's very interesting. Was there anything else we want to have a look at while we're here?
Well, we can have a look at that little one, which is our huntsman's mate.
Oh, so this is more for the sort of recreational
so this is more for if you're shooting 2 or 3 a year or 2 or 3 a week, sorry, and you just want somewhere to store them while you're going back out stalking. Which ideally we're going to change this up and add a few things onto it.
And comparatively, nice. What's the price on this one?
So this is £7,000.
Plus VAT.
Plus VAT, yeah.
Cool. Thanks very much.